Upon binding coverage, the client will receive a welcome letter outlining the risk management services that have been secured for them by their broker. And that might include an on-site risk assessment, it might include on-site training or consultation, a desktop consultation. Certainly it'll include access to the helpline for risk management questions or help during a crisis. It'll include access to the web-based resources. We're very proactive. We will reach out throughout the policy period with much needed resources and tools and tips. Wouldn't you rather be able to call a third-party consulting firm, an objective, trusted advisor who'll have your back? And brokers can call on the provider's behalf. We have a deep bench of specialists that can help you before you call the attorney, before you call the carrier and report a claim. We can perhaps mitigate the situation. We're in the business of helping to navigate and mitigate these risks. It's what we do all day, every day.